Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share some really easy at-home DIY hair treatments that you can use throughout the year, but definitely in the summertime when it starts to get really hot outside and you want to take good care of your hair by using some products that you might already have in your kitchen or around your house. If you like these types of videos and you like my channel, please be sure to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos every week. Let's go ahead and jump right into this one. The first thing that I'm going to make is a scalp detox using bentonite clay. This is green clay that you can find on Amazon or health food stores. It comes in a nice big tub, and I highly recommend getting this because it's great for your skin. It's also great for your hair and your scalp. It really deeply cleanses the scalp, helps remove dead skin cells and toxins, while also strengthening the hair, preventing hair loss by clarifying the hair follicles, and hopefully help contribute to thicker, healthier hair. So just a little bit of the clay with some water, and that right there is a great face mask and also a clarifying scalp treatment / scrub. So using this in my scalp, massaging it really nice. If you have a scalp massager, you can use that too for about 30 seconds and then rinsing it out. Scalp scrubs are being sold nowadays in beauty stores for a lot of money, but I recommend keeping this clay in your beauty cabinet because it has so many different uses. So that's the first treatment that I'm going to be using. Next up, I'm using some egg and olive oil. Now this one can gross some people out, but it's actually really helpful for your hair. The eggs will nourish your hair's roots and hair shaft, and the goal is that it promotes healthy hair growth and improves hair texture. It's one of those you can use as a mask, keep it on for about 20 minutes, and then thoroughly wash it out. The second one that I like to make from home is yogurt and honey. This also doubles as a face mask. The lactic acid and protein in the yogurt is great for the scalp and the hair. It can help cleanse your scalp and strengthen your hair and also moisturize. So this is a really great and easy deep conditioning hair mask or treatment. You can also use it to replace conditioner if you're in a bind. But yeah, I'm just going to put a little bit throughout my hair, massaging it into my scalp and bringing it all the way down to my ends. You can leave it on anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes. You can even step out of the shower if you want to and do some other treatments and then rinse it out thoroughly, making sure you get everything out. For the next hair treatment, I'm going to be making some hair rinses, starting first with rice water. Now you can just make traditional rice water hair rinse where you just pour that in your hair, but I'm going to be experimenting with something a little bit different today using these molds that I got for making soap and also body lotion conditioning bars, like massaging bars for the body. So we're going to make that in a future video, but for now I wanted to try this out by putting these in the freezer and making cooling scalp rinses. So we're going to try this out, and I'm starting with this first side with just the rice water, and then the other side is going to be a rosemary hair rinse. With the remaining rice water, I'm going to just go ahead and put that in a mason jar and put that in the refrigerator just to make a traditional rinse for your hair. A rice water hair rinse is a great way to improve the overall health of your hair. It's a simple hair treatment that can help soften and detangle your hair while repairing damage and adding shine. And it's also a natural cleanser and conditioner, so it's a great choice for if you have dry or frizzy hair. I'm also taking some rosemary from the garden. I'm going to go ahead and let it come to a boil, and then I'm going to let it cool down, and I'm going to use this for a hair rinse as well. Rosemary water is gentle and effective and just really good for your hair, believed to help with hair loss. Obviously, there's no, I don't think, scientific evidence to prove any of these DIY treatments, but hey, they're worth a try. This is supposed to help stimulate hair growth, and it's just really easy to use at home. It's safe for all hair types as well. And then I'm going to make a traditional hair rinse, and I'm also going to put them in these cubes, and we're going to try using these in the shower and see how they go. So I always recommend turning the shower to cold as you're finishing up your shower, especially in the summertime because it's a little easier to do, just kind of like that cold dunk for shinier hair. But I thought you want to be careful when you're using ice because it can actually burn, so you want to be careful. But I saw this idea and I thought it would be worth trying it as a hair rinse, and you can use it with lukewarm water, and as it hits the water on your scalp, it's a nice kind of like cooling hair rinse treatment. So I tried it out and it worked pretty well, but of course be really careful because like ice on your skin, ice on your scalp, it can burn because it can be so cold. So I think the mixture of the lukewarm water plus that, or you could just use a traditional hair rinse. Just use either rosemary water or the rice water for a hair rinse. So simple, really easy DIY hair treatments. You can try these out at home and let me know what you think. And yeah, if you like my channel, please be sure to subscribe, thumbs up this video, and we'll see you very soon in the next one. Have a great day.